The London Jewellery School was a passion, a dream I had to share my love of jewellery making with others. It started small with a few intimate classes and grew very quickly. 10 years on, it's amazing to think that over 25,000 jewellers have come through our doors and trained with us, many of which have gone on to become professional jewellers.
LJS is a fantastic community of jewellery makers. People love to share at the school. People are very friendly. It's an evolving school. It's always bringing in new classes.
So I started out at the London Jewellery School as a student and I did a metal clay class and I was just completely hooked. So I went to learn as much as I possibly could and now I'm back here as a tutor.
I would say that the tutors are very passionate about what they do. They're very warm and friendly and they want to bring out the best in every student that comes here.
I think what makes us unique is we welcome everyone from complete beginner through to professional jewellers. And we really encourage the entrepreneurial side of jewellery making so that once you know how to make the jewellery, you can go on to run a handmade jewellery business or build your own brand.
Having your own jewellery business is really exciting, inspiring thing to do.
I would say my biggest achievement is winning a bronze at this year's Goldsmiths Craft and Design Council Awards. It was judged by Stephen Webster, so he is a jewellery hero of mine, so I was extremely proud.
LJS is unique because it's a different way of learning. We work very much on projects, we work in very small groups, and we really can get a lot of learning into a day.
Our most popular courses are the silver jewellery courses, the stone setting courses, all the jewellery business courses, and of course our flagship Diploma programs. We also run lots of other courses in metal clay, in beading and pearl knotting, wire wrapping, resin, enamel, jewellery design. The list goes on and we're adding new classes all the time in line with what's happening in the jewellery industry.
I particularly like teaching wax carving because it's a material that's very sculptural and you can produce a wide variety of shapes and objects.
I would definitely recommend the Jewellery School. We have small classes, with lots of equipment, so we don't need to share anything, and you learn really quickly in an intensive way.
Anybody considering doing the diploma, I would strongly suggest they go for it.
I done the beginner silver jewellery class and I left with a few finished pieces and they just looked amazing.
All the tutors are lovely. I can't praise them enough. Yes, I'd definitely recommend the course to other people. I'd recommend it to absolutely everyone. It's the highlight of my week.
Going forwards, it's an exciting time for the Jewellery School. We're developing our diploma programs and our business support so that jewellers can run profitable handmade jewellery businesses from their passion.
This school has given me purpose. I'm actually doing something that I thoroughly enjoy.
Here's to another incredible 10 years ahead, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for everyone at the Jewellery School.
We're open to all ages, all genders, anyone can come and make jewellery.